Good day guys, welcome. If you want to add money to your PayPal account using your debit card, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. And also will tell you some of the important information that you should know about at the end. So just start by signing into your PayPal account. As you can see, I'm already signed in. You can do this from your phone or from PC. Works both ways. And in the menu, as you can see in the top, just select Wallet. So if your debit card isn't already linked, choose Link a Card, enter your card details and confirm. You can link account right over here. PayPal will securely connect your debit card to your account after that. And now the key point about handing money with a debit card. In most countries, PayPal doesn't allow you to directly load money from a debit card into your PayPal balance. Instead, your debit card is used for sending payments directly to others or for online purchases. So if you need funds inside your PayPal balance, the supposed way is to transfer from a linked bank account, or in some regions, you can use PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus. Your debit card will work only if you're sending money or paying at checkout, not for topping up the balance. But in general, if you're looking to top up, now you will have your balance in here in the wallet, and somewhere in here you will have, of course, if your country supports it, add and top up your actual PayPal balance. So in my case, I can only receive money to the balance, but not top it up myself. So in terms of the restrictions, guys, the debit cards can't be used to add funds to your PayPal balance in most regions. Only bank transfers or PayPal Cash are supported for balance top-ups, and debit cards work for payments, but not as a direct loading method. So while you can link and use your debit card on PayPal, keep in mind the restriction. It won't directly add money to your PayPal balance. Instead, it's the best for marketing payments or sending money instantly. So if this tutorial helped you out and cleared things up, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.